Hi everyone, myself Uma Mahesh, and this video I'm going to explain Copilot for Dynamics 365 Sales. So, as you know, right, Microsoft is recently launched the Copilot features for Dynamics 365. So, as part of that, I just want to give a brief overview introduction about what are the Copilot features for the sales persons. So, what is the Microsoft Copilot for salesperson? The Copilot is an AI assistant in the Dynamic 365 sales, and that helps to the sales team, and to be in a more productive and efficiency of the daily work. For example, if the sales team they want to quickly generate their reports, so like a quick summary of the opportunities and the lead records, and if they want to catch up about their meetings and what are the sales materials they have, like that. So if they want to read the latest news about their accounts, their customers, what the latest news is happening, and these all the things, they can easily get the details from the Copilot. And sellers can chat with the Copilot with the normal language, and they can predefine prompts. They will get the information as they need. And Copilot also available as an add-on in the Outlook, and that can be integrated with the Teams. With the Copilot, can sellers can capture and they can view and they can update their customer accounts data in the app as they use every day. These add-ons also will be in the Teams app as a uh, generative AI capabilities such as record summarization, and they have a email content generation. So there's there's a lot of features with this Copilot. Okay, I will just give the capabilities here. The Dynamics 365 sales capabilities, but we have, as I mentioned, like a record summarization. They can able to easily get their opportunities and the leads and the customer records, and they can easily summarize in the predefined format about the top 10 fields and what the recent changes happen in their records or their customers. They can able to get it, and they can easily prepare their meetings and email assistants and news updates on the information assistants as well. So let me go through like a very few high level steps for each feature. So with the record summarization, summarize, uh, you may quickly review your leads and opportunity records. That summary is produced by the Copilot using a predefined fields. The changes to the fields that Copilot used to produce the summary. These fields can be defined by the administrator, and make sure that everyone in your sales team agrees this about the 10 fields that are the most important to your company. And the recent changes, Copilot highlights any modifications made to your lead or opportunity or account records. The Copilot generates a list of recent changes based on the records audit history. Your administrator can modify these fields in the recent modification list and ensure that whole sales team agrees that again the top 10 fields which is significant to your company. And information assistance, Copilot provides the information at your fingertips. You don't have to switch between the apps and get the information that you require. Copilot may access your product related documentation and sales related answers that's saved in SharePoint. And meeting preparation, Copilot makes it easy to you prepare the uh, forthcoming meetings by summarizing that essential information from the opportunity or leads linked with them. And email support, so Copilot can assist with email composition that looks like a professional, all the email discussion summaries and whatever you need it from the notes, from customer notes and your poll of reminders, unanswered emails. These all the details you can get it from a email support. And all the news updates you will get it from the Copilot, from the Bing, and what are the information about your customers. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel and please support us.